Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode or the customized dark mode and light mode within the Edge app on iPhone. So right now you would be able to see all the websites and even the menu panel and everything is appearing in the light mode. So if you want to switch to the dark mode, what you can do is you can choose this dark mode option within the settings panel, and from here you can choose the dark option, which will change the settings to the darker. Or you can also go to the settings, and within the settings you have this appearance, and where it will allow you to choose the theme app theme appearance, where you can choose the system default or the dark mode setting based on your system default, where you can choose the dark mode and then hit on done command, which will automatically set the menus and everything into dark mode. So in this way you can enable the dark mode in Edge app on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.